Right now, I'm standing on the roof of the Adventure News van. This is the back of the Adventure News van. This is the generator, which I got to replace the battery so I can start it. This is an air compressor. That's where the generator goes. This is for shore power. That's the ladder up to the back, the lights. This is where you plug in the shore power. You plug the van in right here to an outlet. More outlets. This is for This is for outputs and mics and stuff. I have no idea yet. This is the inside and Keith. Okay, this is all the power switches. When you plug it in, you switch those switches right there and there to shore power. I don't know how any of this stuff works yet, but I'm learning about it. There's the AC controls. The AC blows cold. This is where the periscope used to pop up, and this looks like the button for it. My first order of business is getting a retractable stripper pole installed. And then, Keith, show us how that seat swivels. Oh!
Swivel, very good. Very effective swivel.
And then there's the inside. All right, the outside on this side doesn't look too terrible. Oop, tripping over the curb. There's some lights on the top there. New tires on it. There's an auxiliary battery underneath, which is where I'm supposed to find the battery to be able to start the... So anyway, I'm going to start a new playlist on the Adventure News van. And this is the first video of that series. See, this is the other side where it had a wrap on it. And it got started being painted black. But I think I'm going to go with a tan color. Wherever I need to paint something, I'm going to paint it that tan color that's like a the Rhino liner kind of spray on stuff. And I'm not going to try to paint the whole thing, but a little as I go. Anyway, this is the first video of the Adventure van. The Adventure News van. I need to think of a good name for it. These are the back tires. It's not four-wheel drive, but it is a 1-ton van. And I'm not even sure what motor is in it yet. If I could even pop the hood, maybe. I'll show you guys a little bit of the inside. Yeah, it's dirty, yeah, but you know, I just got it. So I'm going to be making some improvements to this thing. Okay, where's the hood latch thingy? There it is. All right. Oh,